y'all, welcome back. I'm here to give you guys another wig review. This wig is coming from Alipearl. As y'all can see, she is giving me all those nice little goodies. She is a 13x4 lace front wig with HD lace. She comes pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and she does have 3 combs, adjustable straps, and also that elastic band. She is adjustable for that glueless wear. I believe the texture of this unit is a water wave. If not, everything about this wig will be in my description box below, so you guys can go ahead and just check her out. I love when a wig just already comes done, y'all. Like I've said this before in other videos, but with me being a mom, child, and just life just coming at you, it ain't nothing like a put on and go type of wig. And this is definitely a put on and go type of unit. That is how far she goes back. I am coloring that lace with my Ruby Kisses in the color level 12. I just love that I didn't have to plug her. I didn't have to bleach her. I didn't have to do anything but put her on my head. I left that band on for 10 minutes. And then I'm going to go in and cut that excess lace off. I've been, for a couple of my videos, I've been doing this technique. And yeah, I can't decide which one I like better. Cutting off the lace on the mannequin and just putting it on my head, or actually doing this part. I feel like it's what and what at this point. I did go ahead and use some bedhead spray, the little holding spray. I think I purchased that in Target. Like I said, this wig is definitely a put on and go type of unit. If you want to wear her glueless, you definitely can. I just went on and just, I just wanted to show you guys how well she melted. So far, while I was installing the unit, I didn't have any reservations about her. I didn't have any negative reviews at this point. Of course, I'm just doing this for educational review purposes. So I will be selling this unit in my wig store. I know y'all like, Kat, if you talk about that wig store one more time and I don't see you with no link, girl, goodbye. Listen, it's coming, y'all. And now I hear that the post office, because I usually ship off these units through USPS, they saying that I can only do 10 at a time. So I don't know. And in the fact y'all going up on rates, I don't know. Right now, I am coloring that lace down. She is most definitely giving scalp. I wanted to go in and make those curls a little bit more uniform, so I did use my Nairobi foaming mousse. Overall, how I am feeling about this unit, she did not shed, she did not tangle. I love how easy it was to put on. If I could rate her from 1 through 10, I would definitely give her a 9. She's very full, love the texture. So yes, I had no complaints. So that concludes today's video. I would like to thank Alipearl for sending me this unit to review for you guys today. If you like this video, make sure you are giving me a big thumbs up. Make sure you are turning on your notifications so you don't miss none of my videos moving forward. And like always, Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel. I appreciate y'all every single time, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.